Hi everyone, I'm Sarah from LGE-CTS Motorsports, and today I wanted to talk to you about our Baja Forged Super Duty. We have the 4.5-inch Icon kit. This is a stage 7 kit. It comes with the coilovers, the finned reservoirs, steering stabilizer on there, and then we also equipped it with the Hellwig sway bars, front and rear. The 37 1350 KM3 BFG muds, and we have them on 18-inch methods. And these are the HD heavy duty wheels, so it carries that extra load that this diesel truck has. We have our Baja Forged front bumper here. It's our signature series, but we have it with the worn Xenon 10S winch. And then we also have the rigid 30-inch light bar along with our 50-inch single row up on top for that extra lighting. These are our Baja Forged Ford Super Duty front fenders. We actually have them as a complete set, so we offer them front and rear fenders. They are a zero rise with a 5-inch bulge. These ones on our truck come in the carbon fiber series, but you can get them in fiberglass or carbon fiber. But they're a great addition that helps give you that extra space and clearance that you need when you need to have the extra wheel travel. This is our Baja Forged Signature Series roof rack, and we actually have this one with a rooftop tent. It's the Tepui High Box. But what's great about these roof racks, they can be super versatile, so you can use them for anything that you need. So we added the high roads utility bed so that we could have that extra storage space that we needed. We actually modified it to make it modular so that we could still use our B&W fifth wheel hitch as well. So you can't go anywhere off-roading without a few essential items. One of them being our Pro Treads that we need just in case we get in a sticky situation. We also have our ARB fridge back here to keep all of our stuff nice and cool and fresh. And then of course we have our Pro Eagle 3-ton jack just to get us out of those situations. So that's the overview on our Baja Forged Ford Super Duty. If you want more information about our Super Duty or any of the products on it or how we could build you a truck, please visit our website at www.lge-cts.com.